Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic for you. Bathroom shelves designs that will not only keep your space organized but also add a touch of elegance to your bathroom decor. Whether you have a small or spacious bathroom, we have got something for everyone. So let's dive into these fantastic bathroom shelf ideas. Maximize your bathroom's storage potential with floating shelves. We'll explore different materials, sizes, and arrangements to create an illusion of space and keep your essentials within arm's reach. Embrace the warm and inviting vibe of the rustic wooden shelves. Discover how to incorporate reclaimed wood or distressed finishes to add a charming touch to your bathroom while organizing your toiletries in style. Transform your bathroom into a luxurious spa retreat with glass shelves. We'll show how to create a serene ambiance by arranging your skincare products and candles on these chic and modern shelves. Add an edgy and contemporary flair to your bathroom with industrial metal shelves, from sleek black metal to shiny chrome. We'll explore various metal finishes that complement modern bathroom aesthetics. Don't let any corner go to waste. Learn how to utilize those often overlooked spaces with multifunctional corner shelves, perfect for storing towels, plants, and decorative items. And get your creative juices flowing with tie upcycled shelf projects. We will guide you through purposing everyday items like crates, vintage ladders, and old wooden boxes into unique and functional bathroom shelves. Elevate your bathroom's glam quotient with mirrored shelves. We will show you how to create a sophisticated display with these reflective surfaces, amplifying light and making your bathroom feel more spacious. Embrace versatility with customizable modular shelving systems. Discover how to create your own unique configuration that adapt to your changing storage needs. There you have it, a plethora of stylish and functional bathroom shelf designs to inspire your next home improvement project. From space-saving floating shelves to a glamorous mirrored setups, there's perfect shelf idea for every bathroom style. If you loved this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more home decor inspiration. Thanks for watching and happy organizing. So please like and share this video. You will get latest modern ideas for home interior and exterior decorations, indoor and outdoor, beautiful and eye-catching ideas and tips for you. So please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.